fast forward, the software is done, so I'm going to minimize the web browser, and I will see that it's on the desktop here, and just double click it, open it up. You'll see the executable in there. Double click that, it'll extract and open up, and you'll click next, wait for that to install, and at this point you can click finish. It'll tell you that the crypt key is done. The driver installation will then begin. Just click next on that. If you get this window, just click install this driver software anyway. Install this driver software anyway. Ready to use, you should see that. Click finish. Then the simple step will start installing. If you have a previous version of software installed and you try to run this, then at this point you may get an error, and that's just because you already have this installed, and that's okay. You're done with the installation if you get an error at this point. Click next. Anyone who uses this computer, actually either option is fine. Finish. You can close that and you'll see that it's installed. Now before you run the software, you can plug in your 3D Pro now, or if it's already plugged in, then that's fine. We'll go on to the next part. So I'm plugging in my 3D Pro now. Alright. Now we need to make sure that this is on COM port 2, so we're going to go into Device Manager, click Start. Over here, search, type in device, and then click Device Manager. Another way to get to Device Manager is to click Start, right click Computer, right click Computer and then click Properties, and then hit Device Manager at the top. Alright, now we're going to look under ports, and we should see the SS USB RS22 serial communication converter board. Right click that and go to Properties. Click Port Settings. Make sure the bits per second says 57600. It normally defaults to 9600. Click Advanced. Change the COM port number to number 2. And press OK. Press OK. And that's correct. Now right click your 3D Pro Xtreme icon and then click Properties. Click Compatibility at the top. Check compatibility mode and choose either Windows XP Service Pack 2 or 3. If you're on Vista, you only have 2 available. If you're on Windows 7, then you'll have Service Pack 3 available. Run as administrator, press OK. And then run the software. You will get this license configuration. What you will do is you will highlight the site code, and well, it'll tell you what to do in the instructions down here. But if you have Outlook set up, then you can hit email registration request. Otherwise, you'll have to highlight the site code, right click it and click copy. Open up your webmail like let's say you have Gmail, then you would open up your web browser, go to your Gmail, and sign in to your Gmail, whatever it is, and click compose. You'll see the email address here, info@laserkeyproducts.com. That's what you're going to want to send it to. Put in your company information, your phone number, and paste the site code there and send it. And then wait for the email to return. Please allow up to 15 minutes to receive your site key, and check your email. And once you receive the site key, copy that and paste it into your site key box and click validate. You are now licensed to run this software. Press OK. You'll see white boxes and it'll say connecting, and then if you've connected successfully, you'll see motion board detected. And you're all set, ready to use the machine. If you need help on how to use the machine, click Help, 3D Pro Manual, and look through there. That will pretty much show you everything you need to know on how to use the machine. It also shows you how to install the software if you need more details. How to use your Jaw 1 key, how to use the Jaw 2, how to calibrate, and all that stuff. Thank you very much. Have fun.